What's going on? Have you been implementing the calendar blocking to your cleaning? If so, you're going to want to learn these 5 benefits that are going to take your cleaning to the next level. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is you want to block out realistic time needed to get your cleaning task done. That way you're holding yourself accountable, you're checking it off, and you're saying, I did that. That way you know when you look back at your calendar that you blocked out that time, that's what you did for the day. Tip number 2, by blocking this time out helps you to stay focused and to prevent procrastination. This is so important, especially when you take action every single day and you plan out your cleaning in advance. Tip number 3 is you're taking your intention and turning it into action. Even if you're doing something small every single day, it equals big results and it's getting it done. So good for you. Tip number 4, it helps you to record and look back on what you did for the day. So you're able to look on your calendar and say, I was able to get X, Y, Z tasks done for the week. And then you can see if that works. So you can add it into your cleaning routine or turn it into a cleaning schedule. And if you want to learn more about that, check out this video. But it will help you to look back and record instead of writing everything down on a piece of paper and losing it. It's so important when you black out these times, and especially with using a color-coded system. Tip number 5 is you never have to worry about what you need to do next. The cool thing about the calendar blocking system made by Jordan Page is that this calendar blocking can be applied to every aspect of your life. It is not just with cleaning. I wanted to take it to another level by adding it to cleaning to give you another way to stay on task, to stay motivated, and to get more done. This way you can maximize your time doing things that matter the most to you. So my question before you go is, what are you doing to help you stay productive throughout the day? Are you using the calendar blocking system? Are you using just a to-do list? What are you doing? Leave that in the comment below. You might be able to help someone else who is looking for ways to be the most productive human being ever, right? So don't hide out, don't skimp out, share your knowledge, leave that in the description below. But in the meantime, check out this next video. Gotta go, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.